In this video, I'm going to show you how to use walking directions in Google Maps. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So when you open up the Google Maps app, you want to go to the bottom right, and this will bring up a area where you can choose different locations. Let's just say I want to go from Kansas City, Missouri, to Henrico, Virginia. Then it finds the best route for you to take, and on the bottom there is a walking guide. So you can just click on the walking guide, and then it will show you, it will create a walking route. It will also have shortcuts and paths that you can take. It will show you sidewalks, and as you can see, will take us 16 days and 22 hours to actually walk. You can preview it. It'll show you the different elevation, and it'll show you that, see, there's no roads. You don't have to follow roads, but you can actually cut through stuff, and then it will show you all that. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.